Hello, I'm Ichtunich, and today I want to tell you something about the revision history and the view history button in the Wikipedia. If you look at an article, you always see the current revision. That means the last version that was saved of that article. And in order to see previous versions, you can click on the view history button. That's one of those buttons on top of the article page. So I click on view history. And now I can see a list of all previous revisions. So you can see this is a very, very long list in this article. And the list will always show me the date when the last revision was saved or when a change was made, and the name of the user who made the change, and some further information like how many bytes have been changed. And very important, I can see the comment or description which the user has written down when he saved his edit. Okay, if I want to see an older revision, I can just click on one of those older dates to see that older revision. Take this one. Now a yellow box has appeared on top of the article, pointing out that this is an old version of the article which I'm looking at. And when I scroll down now, I will have difficulties actually to find what is different between this version and the current version, and to find out what exactly has been changed compared to previous versions. It is easier if I go back to the view history view. It is actually easier not to click on a date to see the full version, but to click on previous. That's abbreviation for previous, and we'll open a diff link. We call that a diff link. Now the difference between two revisions is displayed. The version which I had just looked at on the right side and the previous version on the left side. And there's a highlight showing what exactly has been changed. And as you can see, this was a very, very minor change. Only one bar has been added. And I can walk through the revision history by clicking next edit or previous edit. And that way I can just follow the way an article has grown. So if I go further, click again on next edit. And if you look at this small m, that signifies this is a minor edit. When you're saving your edit, you have the option to tick a box saying this is just a minor edit, and this will help other Wikipedians when they look at a revision history to identify minor edits like this one compared to more substantial ones. Okay, and anytime I want, I can just go back to the current version by clicking on article. I hope that gave you an idea how the revision history works and how you can find out about the changes made from one version to another by looking at the revision history.